Hello guys and welcome. Okay, today is an unpackaging, something that I won, and together we break change. This is for you and thank you so much. I received the package yesterday. Look at that, she made sure. Fragile. No liquids, no hazards. Unbreakable. Love it, love it. And she said, please take a picture of your gift to let me know you got your prize. Aww. Okay. And she also put on there bonus gift inside. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this. Thank you. Okay, I believe these are things that she make. And right here is something beautiful. Like it. I'm gonna have to ask you, what is it? Okay. We'll figure it out. Oh, duh. In love. So take it and if you put the two together, there you have it. Oh, you know where it's gonna go? That looks like a dinosaur, doesn't it? Yes, together. This is beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Love that. See there? Love. Okay, now for this one. Oh, thank you. Let me see. Oh, God. So, oh, so they both go together, I guess. I don't know. Wait. So, of course, we got it in pink also, but the bonus is believe. See there? Nice. She makes these. Guys, go head over to her channel. See? So now I got love in pink and blue that represents my pink and blue pixies. Thank you. Together we break chains. I love it. Thank you. Now we're gonna see if you can design some fairies for me. I really appreciate this. Love. And love. Whoop. Get off of there. Thank you. And here. Wow. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna make sure you see this. Again, I'm gonna drop down in here. Her name is Together We Break Chains. Go over to her channel, check out some of her merch. She got some really cool stuff. Dominoes, other pieces, really cool. Thank you again, take care. Bye. That's my alarm to go back to work. Bye. Okay.